Yo, what's up, everybody? This your guy Dan Tanner, the bad boy of tech, Chicago's finest. I came here to unbox this box right here. Yes, indeed, people. This box contains the Logitech Z323 desktop speakers. Yes, indeed. And these contain the 360 surround sound technology on deck and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a whirl and let you guys hear for yourself. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, before I bought these, I was going to get the set that had the larger subwoofer on deck and everything. It was more expensive, but I was going to get it because I thought I was going to get more power. But when I looked at the box on the ones with the larger subwoofer, it was only pushing 60 watts of power. While these, on the other hand, as you can see right here, push 60. So more power, less money spent. Sounds like a deal for me. So enough of me yapping. I'm about to make it happen. Time to start unboxing. Let's go. Okay, inside the box was this. Of course, the subwoofer with the power cord. At first, I thought this was two pieces because it's in white cardboard over here, but no, it's just the power cord for the subwoofer and everything. So let me go ahead and take this up out the wrapping real quick. Very easy. And here are the controls on the back of the subwoofer. Yes, indeed. Got the volume adjustment, got the RCA outputs right here. Then you got something right here where you can plug in different type of speakers that use that connection and everything, which is pretty cool and fly. So basically, you know what I'm saying, this one right here can be hooked up to quite a few different devices and everything. And this is a bottom firing speaker. There's the subwoofer itself right there. Then on front is the hole where the bass comes through. This is where the thunder comes through and everything. Logitech, little stamp on it. So yeah. So that's the first thing that was pretty much I saw in the box. Let me reach back here, get this other box that was in the box. And then also inside that big blue box was this box right here, which contained the satellite speakers that you sit on your desk and everything. These boys are kind of tall and everything, but they sound great. That's what I heard, but we're about to find out in a minute, aren't we? So let me take one of these out the wrapping so you can get a peep at it and whatever. Man, it comes nicely packaged and everything. Let me go ahead and take this other plastic off. Man, shiny material on the front. Not a bad looking speaker at all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, oh man. And here are the connecting cables. They are connected to the speakers, of course. And you know that weird little output I thought that was for some other speakers. Here it is right here. So basically, that was for the satellite speakers. So people, I'm about to hook this up and get it banging so we can go ahead and check out the sound. Here we go. All right, everybody. I set up my Ableton Live and everything. So this is my first ever live sound test. And I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys. Man, to let you know that this is all live right here. I got my whole sequence set up and everything. So enough of me yapping. Time to make it happen. This is a beat I did to test these damn speakers out on. Let's get it.
Dan Tanner.
Not bad at all. Man, oh man, not bad for the price point. I bought those speakers, people, for 60 bucks. Man, the bass is nice and round. The highs are there. The mids are right where they need to be and everything, because I want to use these as reference speakers. So whenever I mix down a beat or a song or anything, I want to hear through these speakers at some point in the mix and everything so I can hear it like you guys hear it. Man, these right here are worth the money. Let me break it down. Let me show you why I use these as reference speakers. Hold on a second. Okay, I had to take it to this speaker right here, the KRK Rocket 8s, because these boys right here slam. Now these are what I make my beats on initially and everything. These right here are studio monitors. This is not a regular damn speaker. That's why you see it in a lot of damn professional music producers' videos, such as myself and everything, because these are some really damn good speakers. Yes, indeed. You hear every damn thing just the way you need to hear them, and plus they pack a lot of damn power. But I use those other Logitechs as referencing monitors because that's what a lot of people buy. Normal people just buy regular desktop speakers or something like that and get a bang out of life, which is cool. But I had to show you the difference real quick. All right, let's wrap this video on up. Well, all right, everybody. We took a listen. We did this, that, and the third. Now it's time for my final judgment on these speakers right here. These speakers right here are a bargain. These right here are a great deal for $60. The Logitech 323s, I love them. Yes, indeed. I'm getting me another set for my other computer in the back. So, people, I have to put my stamp of approval on them, no doubt about it. Put a stamp on it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, all right, everybody. That just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up because that's official. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanner, then do that too because that's official too. All right, everybody. Get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.